Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Yom. Today I'm gonna share with you guys about Biome, and I had a request about this tool because I use this a lot, like 3 or 4 times recently on every new project I working on. I started a lot about this one. Why I feel this a good go-to tool in 2024 because if you work on the web project or JavaScript lang, you often have prettier and easily. So that's for formatting and linter. And if you have Biome, you don't need to have that tool anymore because the format costs like prettier. Same time is faster, 35 times faster. And here is the comparison. They had a pretty good playground. So if you can go to here, for example, you can copy this one. And if you go to playground, and you can push the so-called here, and they can have the result the first matter between Biome and prettier, and here the exact math is kind of same. So you can have the custom here at the result that you want, or you have a custom, or you want to spy, or you want to tab. So depend on what you prefer, you can custom this one. And secondly, Biome had the rules buying for linter. So they had more than 190 rules already. So if you find something is not there, you can open the discussion or the IFC for them to bring that through to Biome. The installation is quite simple. What you need, you can use your package manager like npm and yarn, Perl, or anything you want. You can install the package from Biome. And for learn linter, you can use lint, but you don't need to use this one because it has all-in-one command that is check apply, which means when you run this command, we may check dash apply. This will run formatting and linter and then fix the issue if they found on the project. And they had a good documentation. You can look on the doc section here. They explain how to install this Biome on the big project, how to install with your editor. And they had different sessions like the formatter, what is the formatter here, how to set up, how to enable, how to configure different configuration, or you had linter, how you do run this command. And also they had the receipt here, like you want to set up a CI, you can go to here and copy the file and post on your repo, or the git code here, which means whenever you make a change and you want to push your code to GitHub, and it will run the git code here. Or depend on the case, you can have different tools like Husky. So let's see the demo. So you had a sign up, how it's set up. So this is my demo. So first thing, you have the burn install on your project. And this project I create with Remix, and they has one most is unstable right now. It's called SPA, but I want to take a chance, so I create a new process with Remix under SPA most. Then I set up a different thing on this one. So let me show you on my VSCode. So after clone this repo on your PC, you can run one install. And next command, after install this one, you already have everything you ready on your machine, and you can run dev. It's either short from burn run dev AUNR, which means depend on the package or environment, if we choose the correct package manager to run. So for this case, it detect burn is you burn run dev, and then here we are. So this is simple application. It's just a counter, and if you want to learn more, you can click on the link. All right. But today I don't want to talk about remix. My focus is about Biome and how to set up this one. So for the demo, the first one, I want to show you how to use VSCode. You go to attention and you search up Biome. So when you this one, they had a few things. You need to install, then you set the default setup to Biome. And the second thing, you need to choose the languages you want to enable because maybe you already had Prettier a different formatter. It might give the conflicts on your project. So let me show you what I had right now. For example, here, this is the setting. So this is per project. So you see here, under the project, I had VSCode folder and they had a setting JSON here. It's enable default formatter with Biome. And when working React with TypeScript, so with me on the TSS file, I will enable default formatter with Biome. So this is the must on this project. And after install the extension, you're gonna see on the bottom right the Biome is inactive, and it's how the version is running right now on the time I record this video in 1.15.13. Let me open the file. So if you open the file and you can see here, if I space and if I save the file, it will help me to format the style. It's not clean, just format the style. And another thing I want to show you about, sometimes you have different way to order the class or interface from the import here. So this one, the extension can help you to right now here. Look. So I open the alternate import. So this extension help you do this stuff also. You can do the host key here, or you can click on the Biome, it will source again. So how it work? Basically, here you had a file is called Biome JSON. When you open this file, you're gonna see here this is a setting. The first section is alternate import. So it's we source the import by and you can enable or disable. On this project, I enable this setting. And another one is linter and formatter, which means you can use this one instead of its link and you VMAs in this criteria. And another one is VCS here, that's source control. So you can on one run if VMAs only the file chain, you don't want to run on all process. So this is the setting, and you can say the client is the Git I on a user Git, and we use ignore file, and this we check with the branch in the main branch. That is set up, and now I'm gonna show you guys something like how it's working without press the year and its link. For example, this button here, I have a simple button, and if I delete the entire button, so you're gonna see the error right away, and you hover, you see the message about from Biome. So this is a rule, and if you click on the rule, you're gonna open the browser, and we say how it fits. Also, you can click on the icon here, and we say how to fix this one, or you open the problem here, and you're gonna see the message is it say you need to tell exactly the type for the button, so I can undo this one. Or another one I can show you about, let's say the index here. If I remove this one, so this is the I task, you can remove the, and I say the file is we say avoid using target blank we show something, and you click on which fit here is we suggest how you fit this one. So you can have two options. The first option, you can fit this one or you can ignore this rule. So this link is, sorry, Biome is ignore this one. Or you can do this one. You can use the hotkey to fit this easily. All right. And one more thing I want to show you about, this is the Github action. So on the demo, I had this one, which means whenever I had the pull request or the push or pull request on this repo, if we check out the repo, then let's set up the Biome action with the latest version and run a Biome CI. And if we find anything wrong, it's gonna show the errors right away, like this one. So this one is the checky fast, but the deployment is failed. I'm gonna check the deployment later, but let's now see the code about check here, and you see the action. I run the Biome CI and it's at around 2 milliseconds checking only child file on this project. So that's the GitHub action. Another one I want to show you guys about the GitHub here. So we had lab hook. This is the package. So you see here, and when you install the lab hook on your project here, they're gonna have the configuration. It's called labhook.yaml file, and this basically will check what is the type of the file, and they, if that run before the git commit push command, this will run this command and will find if any error, will how your process until you fix the issue. So this is quite useful. For example, let me show you. I gonna use this one. So this is the tool I use to check the unknown word on the project and generate update here. So you see this is the file. That's only one file. You see the color different. If I add this one, add everything, I can commit, just try something like let's commit message, enter. And you see here, this process is already there, but when I git push, when you push the left hook command will return on pre-push, which means before you push from your machine to the remote repo, you will check and it's found, okay, this format here is not correct. You need to fix this format and found two error here. You need to fix before you do anything else. All right. And the final thing about topic is about the roadmap with Biome on 2024. So this article they published like recently, and you can see what they focus right now. And the the good thing about Biome is the community driven, which means you want this become a sunset project, you should contribute more and help this project grow. And a lot of things you can do, like you can help about build a plugin, you can help about like what I do right now. I try to publish the content to help get more awareness about this tool with the web community. All right, thank you everyone. Happy Sunday. If you have any feedback or comment about this content, let me know in the below. Bye bye.